Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add caption in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open CapCut. Now click on New Project. Select a video where you want to add caption. Then click on Add button. Here in the menu bar, click on Text option. Then click on Auto Captions. Tap on the Start button. And here you can see that the caption has been added. And in the menu bar you can see a lot of options to edit the caption. After you're done with editing, click on the upward arrow button in the top right corner to save your video. And that is how you can add caption in CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.